14th edition of Aero India, a biennial air show and aviation exhibition organized by the Defence Exhibition Organization, Ministry of Defence, will be held from February 13, 2023. Aero India, which is held for over 5 days, will return to its old avatar during the 2023 edition. The 13th edition, which was held in 2021, was reduced to a 3-day affair due to COVID pandemic. A few days ago on an official website, Aero India 2023 had gone live mentioning that the next year's edition will be held at Air Force Station Yelahanka, Bengaluru, which has been hosting the air show since 1996.